Welcome students to the last part of story, The Last Leaf. It consists of four human characters, Johnsy, Sue, Doctor and Vermin. And a non-living character, Miss Pneumonia or Mr. Pneumonia. So Johnsy and Sue are roommates. Johnsy falls ill and she bounds herself with such a fancy that she will die with the falling of last ivy leaf. But Sue, the very optimist, consults the painter Berman to paint an ivy leaf against the wall. Berman paints such a leaf which is clinging to its stem against the wall. At last, Johnsy recovers her health, but Berman dies of pneumonia in the hospital. So, I hope the story is clear to all of you. So, in the story, you'll various themes. There is death here, then there is pessimism, there is optimism, and you'll find there is self sacrifice. So when you talk about pessimism and optimism, is the last leaf is very symbolic story which conveys the theme of pessimism and optimism. It deals with the darken Pessimism deals with the darken aspects of life, and as optimism is totally against to pessimism, it deals with the positive ways of life. So it can also be said that optimism and pessimism are the two sides of a single coin. So Johnsy always leads her life as a pessimist. Sue consoles Johnsy and she consults a painter to paint the fancy of Johnsy in an optimist way. So John C, the main character, seems to be very pessimist person, lost the entire positive attitude in life, and due to her disease, and she's waiting for her death. Then you will find self-sacrifice of Mr. Berman. So Mr. Berman risks his life for Johnsy. He has sacrificed his own life to give life to Johnsy. The painting he made at the wall, on the wall shows his self-sacrificing, kind and noble nature. He himself catches the pneumonia and dies, but he didn't let Johnsy die. So, with the character of Mr. Berman, O. Henry is showing the sacrificing nature of a man, and it gives us a message that self sacrificing is a great deed and one has to be kind and gentle towards others. Then you will also find, the theme of hope here. It is very nicely presented in this story. A doctor is a very optimistic person. He tries to make Johnsy realize that she has made her mind that she will die when the last leaf falls, but that could be harmful for her. So he told her that he can only provide her medicine that is effective as 50%. But this next situation, 50% lies in her hand. So, hope is also one of the major themes in the last leaf. The system of this universe is running at the idea of hope. We dream for future life due to hope. For example, if an old man is seriously ill, still he is dreaming for his recovery because of hope. He does not think about the black or fatal bird. The significance of of the leaf in life is of the leaf here is life and nurture. So leaf is the hope for life for tree or plant. When Johnsy sees the painted leaf against the wall through the window, then she says, something has made that last leaf stay there to show me how wicked I was. So it is a sin to want to die. Then you will find here love and friendship. It describes friendship and bondage between the two friends. O. Henry has beautifully portrayed that friends take care of each other. Sue supports Johnson's morally when she falls ill. She proves to be great support for Jonesy, and she tries her level best to bring back Johnsy towards life and in the world of optimism. So, have you ever felt low? What do you do to come out of that mood? Have you ever tried cheering up others in such mood? So, if you are feeling low at times or, little depressed, the best thing to come out of the situation is to start thinking of cheering up others. So, and we all know that it's not nice to stay in that state. It is not good for us to always remain in that depressing and low mood. So that's it from me. I hope you have really liked the story. I want you all to now complete the notes and revise for the test. So happy learning.